All right, Jonathan, what are you gonna try and do? You're gonna try and jump the ramp?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it do this. This
All right.
is what it looks like. And it goes, like, you might remember the big one. And this is a small. And I have an ice cream truck.
All right, let's see you jump it.
Okay, let's go over. Hope it doesn't land on its back. And here we do the beat.
He made it. All right, let's start putting blocks up. See if we can jump blocks.
Here we go. So he's
Gonna start with one block.
Yes. There's 12 of the blocks.
12 blocks, guys.
Yeah.
Let's see how many we can jump.
Let me. Zoom zoomies.
That one cleared no problem. All right, Jonathan, 2 blocks.
Here we zoom zoomies.
Did he clear it pretty good? Okay, guys, we're getting bigger.
3. It's gonna be challenge.
They're like 6 inches big. 6 by 6 by 6.
3.
Oh, you just hit the red one.
Yeah.
Okay, try it again.
Yeah. That time is.
Okay.
Okay, we're still on 3. Here we zoom zoom.
You cleared all 3 there. Had a little accident. What we're gonna have to send out is the ice cream truck. Oh.
Let's.
Oh, the ice cream truck helped you out. All right, let's go to 4. Hey, Mr. Ice Cream Truck.
Okay.
Okay, let's try 4 again.
Yes. It is
Can you do
hard.
4?
Zoom zoomies.
Oh, rode right over top.
Now we're doing smash the blocks. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be smashing blocks, not jumping. Crushy!
Oh, we got the 1 block down.
Let's try it again.
All right, we added some more blocks.
Yeah.
We're up
This is
to
gonna be
6 blocks.
cool. And zoom zoomies.
Oh, we missed the blocks. Drum roll. Boonk. He got it. He finally knocked him over.
Let's try it again on this. Hey guys, today we're playing tag with our remote control cars. So mine's gonna be the Tiger.
All right,
Here
so
I
you're
come.
it.
Oh!
Nah, 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 nah. You can't get me.
Here we
Haha. Can't get me. Oh, you got me. Okay, I'm it. Ice cream truck is it. Here we go. Oh, you're all mine. Oh. Oh. I got excited. Oh, yeah, you're it now.
You can't help me. I'm stuck there.
Help him out, Jonathan.
Here we go. Hey.
Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna see who can keep the stuffy on them the longest. Oh. Oh, my stuff. Oh. They don't stay on very good, do they?
Yeah. Get back to taking.
Ah! Bunk. Hit the lemur. Boop. Boop. Hit the unicorn. Oh, excuse me, ice cream truck coming through.
Excuse me, race car coming through.
Oh, it sounds like you wiped out. Oh. Watch this skid I'm gonna do. Go backwards. Oh, it didn't turn out as good as I hoped.
Watch me do back belly bump. Back belly bump.
All right, try and go down the ramp, Mr. Jonathan.
Let's see who could do the best one.
Oh, that was no good.
Do a couple more rounds.
All right, ice cream truck is up. Ice cream truck said he didn't want to go down. He got scared.
Now, let's get charged.
I don't think he's made it down yet. Try that again.
Yeah. 340!
All right, do you think Jonathan can get him down flat and on his wheels the third time?
Yes. Let's try. I'm going to go slowly.
Oh, that was too easy. Now go fast. Oh, big skid. Oh, he's coming back pretty good.
Wait.
Oh, good job. He climbed up it.
Told you I'm good at this.
A little bit more speed that time. He got it. Oh, he's stuck.
Let's see him go down again.
He made it finally.
Boom truck go.
Oh, he didn't even want to jump at all. It doesn't have enough power. Oh. Okay, who ordered ice cream?
We stuck.
I'm stuck too.